This is my son's Weather Word Slap Book, and it's based on a book by Gail Gibbons. My son wanted to learn about the weather, and so I made this up for him to help him learn. This is a shot of the book first opened. And for a lot of these miniature books, what I did was type the answers for him so that he could simply cut and paste them in. We used these minute books as we went along to teach instead of to record what he had learned. Up here we have a twice folded book on air pressure, and it just opens and it reveals what high air pressure is and low pressure. Here we have a side-by-side book, What Will the Weather Be? And inside are the 4 things that make up the weather: wind, moisture, air pressure, and temperature. And then inside each little book, it tells something about that. In the middle here we have 3 matchbooks, and they just open up to show what dew is, what fog is. My son did write that one in. This is a little accordion on changing temperatures, and it shows the different things that make temperature change and why that happens. Here we have a little umbrella shaped book about rain, and it tells about how rain forms. Over on this side we have a little simple fold about rainbows, and then we have a little trifold about snow and what makes snow form in fall. Here we have a little sorting book on snow words. We have the words on one side and the definitions on the other, and you just pull them all out and let the child match them together and then put them in the matches pocket together. This center section is a file folder pasted down, and so it just opens up and reveals the rest of the lap book. Up here we have a little hot dog book, and each page has a rain word and then what that word means. And so it's just all different rain words. Here we have a little fan book attached with a brad, and it talks about how a cloud forms, and the different pages explain. Down here we have a little accordion on types of clouds, and these are the 3 main types. And my son drew a little illustration to help him remember each type. Here we have a flat book that goes into more depth about clouds, the combination clouds, and we pasted a little diagram that we found online. And then there are flaps, and each one has the definition behind the flap. This book here is a little wind layer book, and it just has more terms and definitions, and then there's a little picture to go with each definition. Here we have a thunder and lightning shutter fold, and each side opens up, explains thunder on one side, lightning on the other, and then my son drew a little storm illustration in the middle. Down here is his little certificate of achievement. When he completed this unit, we gave him a junior meteorologist certificate. And that is our Weather Word Slap Book.